Hello, I am Jorge Salvador Álvarez León. I am a mechatronic engineer student. Currently, I am doing my internship in the EHO development group, and I will talking about the project and the progress we are making. The project in which I am collaborating is in the design and development of the vertical axis wind turbine. More specifically, we will be based on the design of the wind turbine CW1000 by the Icelandic Sæther Ásgeirsson. This design is semi-unusual, therefore we want to test this wind turbine in the Mexican environment and adapt it. The principal objectives are apply the methodology of the design and development, apply the feedback with respect to the product's evaluation test, know the methodology and solicitation of the subcontract companies for the manufacturing, and verify if it is efficient and functional for the client's needs and its sale. The goals for this project are obtain the CAD design most efficient in accordance with the simulation of fluids, otherwise redesigned, and alternate the design. It will be manufactured to scale to apply aerodynamic tests. Next, obtain the data of the table of curve. It will be evaluated for manufacturing and real scale. And finally, when manufactured, the same aerodynamics tests are carried out and the product specifications are made. The specifications for this project are relation of the CAD design and make parts on the ensemble with SolidWorks. After, with the CAD, we will perform fluid tests in the flow simulation in SolidWorks package or in Fluence. Next, make some modification to drawing to improve the efficiency. After, manufactured to scale by subcontract companies, and next perform aerodynamics tests in a wind tunnel and install up to an electric generator to obtain the efficient curve. And next, if the model is the expected one, it will be manufactured at the real size and we will repeat the previous test. And finally, apply the international standards IEC 61401 for the wind turbines. And as said before, we must adapt to the international standard like IEC 61401 standard. Some of the standards stand out like methods to determine the noise produced by the turbines, process to measure the power performance, process to measure the mechanical stress, and among others. It should be noted that IEC 61400 provides the design requirement of the standard for small wind turbines, that is the vertical or a home-based wind turbines. The contribution that I have made to the project up to now are the development of the CAD drawing of each piece, as well as its assembly and plans, as we can see here, and which are being evaluation by my project coordinator. This part of development is interesting because you have the freedom to parameterize to your linking, of course, as long as they are within the model to follow. For the next wall, I must learn to perform fluid simulation. Currently, my coordinator is guiding me to do it. Later, I will have to learn to perform the requirement present by the subcontractor company to carry out the manufacturing of the turbine. In conclusion, this project is very pleasant for me because it showed me the process of developing a new project of a company which has the objective of selling a product, which will have great relevance for the economy of Mexico, as well as its objective of helping to reduce the produce of energy through the burning of fuel, and, consequently, helping to obtain a better future. It should be noted that this project has not yet been complete, so I will be informing you in the following reports. Thank you. That's it.